A union is used to join two pieces of pool equipment together, usually the pump and the filter. When replacing a union, we recommend having a wrench handy to easily detach and attach equipment. We also suggest having a roll of Teflon tape ready to provide a secure seal on the new union's threading. Before you begin, turn the shutoff valve handles to the side so that the water flow is closed from both the skimmer and the return sides. If you don't have shutoff valves, you can stop the water flow by using a Hayward 1022 black cap or rags. Next, unscrew the nut located on the union between the pump and the filter. With the nut loosened, the filter and pump are no longer attached. This makes it easy to remove the fittings. Remove the old union and set that aside. You're now ready to attach the new union. First, apply Teflon tape on all threads. Teflon tape helps prevent minor leaks that can affect water flow. We recommend covering each fitting a few times over so that none of the threads are exposed, which would be about 6 to 8 rotations. Too much tape will make turning the union into place more difficult. Insert one side of the union into the side port of the pump. Next, insert the other side of the union into the filter port labeled "to pump." Use a wrench to tighten both fittings and check that they are secure. With the fittings in place, turn the nut located on the filter side until it firmly connects both pieces together. The new union is set and ready to use. If you have any questions about replacing a union, reach out to your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.